Welcome to my class Introduction. Class Standard 9, Subject Higher Mathematics, Chapter name Algebraic Expression. Exercise 2, Lecture 1. Today's lesson: to explain algebraic expression, variable, constant, and polynomial. Algebraic expression. We are familiar with various types of algebraic expressions. When one or more numbers and symbols representing numbers are combined meaningfully by one or more than one of plus or minus or multiplication or division, power or rational sign, a new symbol representing numbers is created. It is called an algebraic expression, or in brief, expression. For example, 2x. Between 2 and x there is a multiplication sign. Or 2 into x plus 3 into a into y, or another expression 6 into x plus 4 into y square plus a plus square root over z etc. is an algebraic expression. Clear? Variable, constant, and polynomial. In any discussion, a literal symbol representing a number may be a variable or a constant if such a symbol denotes any unscheduled element of the number set consisting of more than one elements. We call the symbol a variable. That's mean whose value are changeable. Okay, and the set is called the domains. That's mean the value input the function or equation or expression. Okay, if the symbol denotes a definite number, it is called a constant. That's mean fixed number is a constant and a quantity which is changeable. As for example, x belongs to natural number, then that's mean x mean 1, x mean 2, x mean 3, x mean 4. That's mean value are not fixed, but for constant that is always fixed. 1 is 1, 2 is 2, 2 is a constant, 3 is a constant, 4 is a constant. This is a specific number. Okay. In any discussion, a variable can take any value from its domain. As for example, domain is a real number, so we can take any value of real number that are variable 1 or 1.1 or 1.2 or 2, 3, etc. But the value of a constant remains fixed all through. A polynomial is a special type of algebraic expression. In a polynomial, there are one or more terms, and each term is a product of a constant and a non-negative integral power. Non-negative integral power mean power will be non-negative, mean all positive integer with 0. All positive integer with 0. That means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, dot dot dot, of one or more variables. Variable will be either 1 or 2. As for example, x plus b, or ax square plus bx plus c, or x plus y plus z. That's variable will be one or more. Okay. Here polynomial of one variable. Here given some examples as for example, here is a, here is ax plus b, here is ax square plus bx plus c, here is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. All are polynomial of one variable. Here x, there is no variable, mean variable is x whose power will be 0, as x to the power 0 mean 1, power is 0, power is 0, 0 is non-negative number. Okay, here ax, x power of x will be 1, here ax square power is 2, here 1, here ax cube, then ax square, bx square, then cx plus d. D mean here ax cube, then 1 less, then 1 less, then 1 less. That's mean here no x mean x to the power 0. No x mean x to the power 0. All a, b, c, d are fixed number or constant. Okay. Now expressions are polynomials of the variable x. Here all are polynomial of variable x. Okay, and the general form of the polynomial with one variable, that is cx to the power p. Okay, cx to the power p, where c is a fixed number which may be 0, that will be 0 or not, and p is a non-negative integer. P is a non-negative integer, mean p will be 0 or 1 or 2 or 3, not negative. So in a polynomial the power will be always non-negative integer. If the power is negative, then it is not polynomial. You have to remember. If p is 0, the terms become c, and c is 0, the term is suppressed. That's mean term is absent in the polynomial. If c equal to 0, that's mean this term is absent. We can say here ax square plus c, ax square plus c, there is another term was, but this is absent because the coefficient of x, that is equal to 0, so this is absent. C is called the coefficient of x to the power p. In the term cx to the power p, and p is called the degree of the term. That's mean highest power of expression, that is a degree. Here highest power, that's mean x to the power 0, that is 0. So power highest power 0, that's mean degree 0. Here highest power of x of variable 1, so degree of this expression, that is equal to 1. Here highest power, that is a degree of this polynomial or of this expression. Here highest power 3, so 3 is a degree of this polynomial. And the term related to highest power, that is ax square or ax or a or ax cube, that is a leading term, that is a leading term. And leading coefficient related to highest power, that is a is a leading coefficient. Here a is a leading coefficient, here a is a leading coefficient, here also is a leading coefficient. Okay, and constant term, if there is no x, that is 1, here no variable, here mean only a, here b, here c, here d, that is a constant term. Constant term mean the power of variable will be 0. The power of variable, here variable x power will be 0, that's mean here a, here b, here c, here d, all are constant term. Clear everyone? Another example here is given: 2x to the power 6 minus 3x to the power 5 minus x to the power 4 plus 2x minus 5. Here leading term 2x to the power 6, degree is 6, leading coefficient 2, constant term minus 5. Okay, here if a not equal to 0, the aforesaid 1 degree of the polynomial is 0. I have already explained the degree of the polynomial 2, that is equal to 1, here 2, here 3. Clear? I have already discussed this part. Another, a polynomial of the variable x is usually arranged in descending order. Descending order mean, follow example or example number 4. There is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. That's mean at first we take 3, then 2, then 1, then 0. That's mean arranged in descending order. This is a standard form of a polynomial. That's mean leading term. Leading term mean a term there is include degree, highest power. There is include degree or highest power. Highest power is degree of this polynomial. So a term including highest power or degree, that is a leading term, that will be first, and the constant term will be the last. This is a standard form. Here p of x, this equal to 2x square plus 7x plus 5. 5 is a constant term, that is last, and first is a leading term. Here degree of this polynomial will be 2, because 2 is the highest power of this polynomial. Clear everyone? Such symbol p of x indicates that the values of a polynomial depend on the values of x. If a specific number a is substituted for x in the polynomial, the value of the polynomial for that value of x is denoted p of a. When we put x is equal to a, we can write 2a square plus 7a plus 5. It is same. Follow example. If p of x is equal to 3x cube plus 2x square minus 7x plus 8, find the value of p of 2, p of minus 2, p of 1 by 2. When we'll put here p of x is equal to 2, we'll get 3 into 2 cube plus 2 into 2 square minus 7 into 2 plus 8. This is equal to 26. Similarly for 2 and half minus 2 and half, we'll get 6 and 43 by 8. This is the required result. Clear everyone? Polynomial of two variables. In a polynomial there include two variables. Here is include x and y. Here also x and y. Here also x and y. What is the degree of this polynomial? Here degree will be 1, because here x and y both are polynomial. Both are variable. This is a polynomial, and degree or power of x and y are 1. Here x square. Here also x square mean degree will be 2. Here also 2. That's mean degree of this polynomial will be 2. Here will be 3. Okay. Here will be 3, because highest power of x or y, that is equal to 3. Clear everyone? So degree will be 3. And the form of polynomials of two variables, that is a c x to the power p, y to the power q. This is a general form. And when this is in the form in product, there is here x and y in a multiplication form or product in product. So power of x, that is equal to 2, and power of y, that is equal to 1. So 2 plus 1, this is equal to 3. Also here power of x, this is equal to 1, and power of y, this is equal to 2. So 1 plus 2, this is equal to 3. Clear? So this is a degree of this polynomial. Here is a given example. P of xy is equal to 8x cube plus y cube minus 4x square plus 7xy plus 2y minus 5 has degree 3, and P of 1 0. When we'll take here P of 1 0, that's mean x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 0, and after putting this in this expression or in here, we'll get minus 1. That's mean 8 into 1 to the power 3 mean 1, that's mean 8. Here 0, here minus 4, here 0, here 0, here minus 5. That's mean that is equal to minus 1. Clear everyone? Polynomial of 3 variables. Polynomial of 3 variables, and the form will be cx to the power p, y to the power q, and z to the power r. Hers is a constant. Same explanation. And non-negative integers are p, q, r. That's mean p plus q plus r is the degree of this term, and in the mentioned terms of the polynomial, the largest of the degrees is called the degree of the polynomial. Such polynomial is denoted by the symbol pxyz. For example, the polynomial pxyz is equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Degree will be 3 because here power of x 3, y 3, z 3, and also here power of x is equal to 1, power of y is equal to 1, power of z is equal to 1. That's mean 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. Okay, and when we put p of 1 1 minus 2 mean x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, and z is equal to minus 2. And after putting this in this expression, we'll get 0. Clear? Determine the polynomial from below. Here 2x cube, is it polynomial? Polynomial, because here power is 3, which is non-negative. Here power is 2, which is non-negative. Here power is minus 2, so this is not polynomial. Here also after calculate this, power will be negative, so this is not polynomial, but this is polynomial. This also polynomial with 2 variable. Here a and b both are variable. Here c to the 2 into c to the power minus 1, so this is not polynomial. Here also this is not polynomial, this is polynomial. Okay, and next you will identify which one will be polynomial or not. Determine the variables and degrees from the polynomials listed below. What will be the variables? Here variables x and degree mean 2. Here variable a and b, degree will be 1. Here variable x, y, z, degree will be 1 plus 1 plus 1, that's mean 3. Okay. So next 4, 5 and 6 you will identify which one will be variables and what will be the degree. Okay. Expresses of the given polynomials. As a polynomial of variable x in its standard form. Its standard form means when we'll arrange a polynomial in descending order. That's mean at first will be highest power, then will be 1 less or 2 less or 3 less, and last part will be constant. So follow here. Here is x to the power 6 will be first, then x to the power 4, then x square, then 3. That is a standard form. Clear? And as a polynomial of the variable y, at first x, that's mean you have to write here 3x square plus x minus y square plus minus 3. Here y square and 3, in case of 1, that is constant. Okay, because here is mentioned x is a variable, and when y is a variable, then you have to write at first y, then will be x, and other sort will be, for second case here y only variable, and this is others all will be constant. 3x square plus x minus 3, that is a constant. Clear? So everybody will solve, and For number, if p of x this equal to 2x square plus 3, what will be the value of p of 5? P of 5 means 2 into 25, that's mean 50 plus 3, 55. And like this way, you have to find p of 6 and p of half. Clear everyone? Okay. So everybody will complete this lecture. Okay. Only this lecture you have to complete. That will be homework. Okay, and everybody depend on this lecture, make 5 MCQ question and solve the given problem. That's mean 1 2 and 1 2 3 and 4, and submit the copy in the group. Date of submission will be 13/2/2021 at 11 a.m. So today up to this, thank you to all everyone. Okay, goodbye.